Good morning, everyone. Happy Margari Masam. We are at the end of the year 2024. Now, let's look at the meaning and the recitation of Tirupavai Pasuram 16. Now, let's look at the recitation of the Tirupavai Pasuram 16. நாயக்கனாய் நின்ற நந்தகோபனுடைய கோயில் காப்பானே, நாயக்கனாய் நின்ற நந்தகோபனுடைய கோயில் காப்பானே, கொடி தோன்றும் தோரண வாயில் காப்பானே, கொடி தோன்றும் தோரண வாயில் காப்பானே, மணிக்கதவன் தாழ்த்திரவாய், மணிக்கதவன் தாழ்த்திரவாய், ஆயர் சிறுமியரோமுக்கு, ஆயர் சிறுமியரோமுக்கு, அரைப்பறை மாயன் மணிவண்ணன் நென்னலே வாய் நேர்ந்தான், அரைப்பறை மாயன் மணிவண்ணன் நென்னலே வாய் நேர்ந்தான், தூயோமாய் வந்தோம் துயில் எழப் பாடுவான், தூயோமாய் வந்தோம் துயில் எழப் பாடுவான், வாயால் முன்னும் முன்னும் மாத்தாதே அம்மா, வாயால் முன்னும் முன்னும் மாத்தாதே அம்மா, நீ நேய நிலை கதவம் நீ கேளோர் எம்பாவாய், நீ நேய நிலை கதவம் நீ கேளோர் எம்பாவாய். So the full Tirupavai Pasuram 16 is recited like this. நாயக்கனாய் நின்ற நந்தகோபனுடைய கோயில் காப்பானே, கொடி தோன்றும் தோரண வாயில் காப்பானே, மணிக்கதவன் தாழ்த்திரவாய், ஆயர் சிறுமியரோமுக்கு, அரைப்பறை மாயன் மணிவண்ணன் நென்னலே வாய் நேர்ந்தான், தூயோமாய் வந்தோம் துயில் எழப் பாடுவான், வாயால் முன்னும் முன்னும் மாத்தாதே அம்மா, நீ நேய நிலை கதவம் நீ கேளோர் எம்பாவாய். This is the full recitation of the Tirupavai Pasuram 16. Now let's look at the meaning of the Tirupavai Pasuram 16. So there is a change of scenario starting with this Pasuram, which can be said to be the beginning of phase 3. So far, Andal has awakened the young maidens by directing their minds towards the goal. She and her friends have now arrived at the threshold of her Lord Krishna. But the entrance is by no means easy. There are many number of hurdles to cross. The Supreme Being is one who is visible only to a dedicated devotee. Having arrived at the gateway of the temple that houses Lord Krishna, Goda Devi and her group of young maidens are barred from entering the divine portals by the guard. They start pleading, O respected security guards and dear Dwarapalakas of Chief Nandagopa's palace, we are gopis from Ayarpadi who have come with pure hearts to meet our dear Lord Krishna. We have taken up a vow, have started at pre-dawn and come together to see him, our Manivannan and Mayan. He knows of our arrival and is expecting us. He has some musical instrument that he has promised to give us. Kindly open the heavy gates and permit us to enter. We have practiced singing the Suprabhatam together and can't wait to wake him up. Thank you for your help, gentlemen. Now our vow is sure to succeed. The hurdle in the form of a guard at the doorstep indicates barriers between man and God, Atma and Paramatma. The underlying thought of this stanza is that despite cleansing ourselves of all impurities, reaching God is by no means a cakewalk. It requires us to overcome the tough tests thrown at us on the spiritual path, and in order to succeed, we have to totally shed our gross human nature and rise to the realms of supreme consciousness. This is the deep inner meaning of Tirupavai Pasuram 16. Now let's look at why I have used certain props for today's Tirupavai Pasuram 16. It is customary in our tradition to pay respect to the security guards and gatekeepers. They play an important role, especially here, where Kamsa, the evil maternal uncle of Lord Krishna, is out to get him, and doting father Nandagopala is doing all that he can to protect him. So I've kept a palace to depict Nandagopala's palace. And also in the Pasuram, it goes like this. Nayakanaai ninra Nandagopalanuடைய Koyil Kaapane. So I've kept it as a temple. Nandagopala's palace is compared to a temple where Lord Krishna is residing. In every Vishnu temple, two security guards guard his temple. They are the Jaya and the Vijaya. I've kept a depiction of them too. Then the Gopikas say we have practiced singing the Suprabhata. So I have kept a book of the Suprabhata which they sing to awaken the Lord Krishna. So this is why I have used these props to depict the Pasuram. Nayakanaai ninra Nandagopanuடைய Koyil Kaapane. Pasuram 16. My heartfelt gratitude to Shobhachar of Scripture Peak with Shobha, whose book I have used for reference for the Pasuram lyrics in English and for the meaning of each Pasuram. So my heartfelt gratitude to Shobhachar ma'am. If anyone wants to purchase this and many other interesting books, do drop a comment in the comment section. Thank you.